How to add Blender in OpenShot. Want to bring 3D titles and effects to life? Here's how to use Blender in OpenShot. First, make sure Blender is installed on your system. OpenShot uses Blender to generate animated 3D titles. In OpenShot, go to the top menu, then click Titles. You'll see a list of cool 3D templates like flying text, explosions, or spinning words. Choose the template, customize the text, font, color, and duration, then click Render. OpenShot will automatically use Blender in the background to create the animation. The rendered title gets added to your project files. Just drag it to the timeline and position it as needed. What kind of animated titles do you like? Epic intros or simple clean looks? Let me know in the comments below. Once everything's done, preview your video with your new Blender powered 3D animation and export when ready. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.